Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 229 State Street, Unit 3E in New Bedford, Massachusetts. This is a third floor, 3-bedroom apartment located in downtown New Bedford. This unit is equipped with carpet floors and panel floors in the living room and dining room area. Moving on to the first bedroom here, you can see that it has baseboard heating, nicely painted walls, closet to the right there. Plenty of sunlight, a lot of windows in this unit. Moving out to the main living room area, heading down to the kitchen dining room area. We do have a storage closet to the left here, and to the right we have the second bedroom. This bedroom has the panel floors instead of carpet. Every bedroom has a closet as well, as you can see there. Moving back out to the main living room area, you can see very spacious. You have the gas stove and the countertop, plenty of cabinet space as well. Very spacious unit. Moving on to the third and final bedroom. This one has the carpeted bedroom. And the closet as well, you see here. Again, plenty of window space. Moving back out, you have the back door entrance here. And then to the left you have the bathroom with the shower and tub with a tile wall and tile floor in the bathroom. Very spacious bathroom, little storage closet there. And this unit is managed by Nexus Property Management, so you do have benefits such as rent payment online, key copying services, and as well as access to a 24-hour hotline for all your maintenance and repair needs. Again, this is 229 State Street, Unit 3E in New Bedford, Massachusetts.